Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Pocket Saw is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any outdoor enthusiast, DIYer, or even the average homeowner who occasionally needs to tackle small cutting tasks. Whether you're setting up camp, trimming branches in your backyard, or working on a small project, having a reliable and portable saw can save you time and effort, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. This review will delve into what makes a pocket saw stand out, helping you make an informed decision for your next purchase. Number 5. MOSSY OAK 3-in-1 Folding Saw. Introducing a versatile folding saw designed for all your cutting needs. It easily handles wood, metal, and plastic, making it perfect for camping, hunting, and bushcraft. Changing blades is simple. Just adjust the knob to switch between the pruning, hardwood plastic, or metal blades. Ensure it's tightened before use for safety. This tool comes with 3 sharp blades for smooth, fast cuts. Use the pruning blade for branches, the hardwood plastic blade for pipes and wood, and the metal blade for thin pipes. Its ergonomic, slip-resistant handle provides a comfortable and secure grip for any hand size. The rugged blade stays stable for accurate cuts, even with strong pulls. A secure lock system prevents accidental closure during use. Simply push the green button to fold the blade and store it safely in your pocket or the included pouch. It includes a durable nylon pouch that holds the saw and extra blades. This makes it easy and safe to carry your multi-purpose tool wherever your adventures take you. What we like. This saw offers incredible versatility with its 3 distinct blades for different materials. If you need a single tool that can handle wood, metal, and PVC, this is the one for you. It's perfect for campers, DIYers, or anyone who encounters varied cutting tasks in the outdoors or around the house. What people say. Sharp, compact, and effective. The blade is a quick little bugger, and so watching the depth of the cut to tip of the saw blade ratio is extremely useful when working quickly. Blades were easy to swap, just turn the knob to unclamp it, swap the blade, tighten the knob. Number 4. Corona RS7245 Razor Tooth Folding Saw. Experience incredibly fast and smooth cuts with its sharp, curved steel blade. This design ensures more teeth are engaged, giving you improved cutting speed and control. It folds down compactly into the handle for effortless storage and transport. A reliable lockback mechanism keeps it secure when open and closed. Enjoy superior comfort and control with its contoured, non-slip handle. It's designed to reduce hand fatigue, even during extended use or in challenging conditions. This tool is lightweight and compact, easily fitting into your backpack or tool belt. It's perfect for everything from trail maintenance to camping and yard work. Built to last, its durable steel blade and reinforced handle can withstand tough outdoor conditions. You can rely on its cutting power season after season. This is your go-to tool for efficiently cutting small to medium-sized branches. Its design makes quick work of pruning tasks. What we like. If you're looking for efficiency and speed when cutting branches, this saw's curved blade is a game-changer. It keeps more teeth engaged for quicker, cleaner cuts. Ideal for gardeners, hikers, or anyone who needs to quickly clear small to medium branches without excessive effort. What people say. It's sharp and cuts fast. The blade and handle are good quality and stay locked in place while working. The Corona worked much better. However, once it got going it cruised through the same piece of wood in less than half the time. It has a polished blade and it did start resisting the further I went in, but it wasn't nearly as bad as the Baco and I didn't have to once stop to shake out my arm. Amazingly sharp and fast cutting blade. Lightweight and small enough to throw in your pocket while maneuvering a ladder. Nice curved blade to reach around a branch if it's not quite within reach. Number 3. Silky 726-13 Professional Series PocketBoy Folding Saw. Introducing the Silky 726-13 Professional Series PocketBoy. Experience unparalleled cutting speed with its innovative curved blade and pull cut technology. This saw cuts approximately 15 to 20% faster than traditional straight blade models. Its 130mm blade features large teeth for efficient performance. The taper ground blade is designed to reduce resistance, ensuring a smoother, easier, and faster cutting experience every time. Featuring impulse hardening, its teeth are instantly heated and hardened. This means they stay sharp about 3 times longer than standard teeth. Perfect for camping, hiking, trail maintenance, hunting, and pruning, it comes with a durable hard plastic belt case for easy carrying. What we like. For those who prioritize longevity and sharpness, this saw is an excellent choice. Its impulse-hardened teeth stay sharp up to 3 times longer, meaning less frequent replacements and more efficient cutting. If you're a serious outdoors enthusiast or a professional who needs a reliable saw for frequent use, this one will serve you well. What people say. Well designed, well executed, probably overbuilt. Solid. Will not rust. Stays sharp. Super sharp and cuts through branches easily. I like the fact you can fold it up and put back in the plastic case provided. Very sharp, and its small size allows one to work in tight areas, makes it possible to prune portions of shrubs with close-set shoots without damaging nearby shoots. Number 2. Toolux 5-inch folding saw. Experience incredibly sharp and durable cutting with its SK5 steel blade. Its unique triple-tooth design makes cutting through wood and branches fast and efficient. This versatile tool is perfect for pruning and camping tasks. It effortlessly handles branches up to 2 inches in diameter, offering powerful performance in a lightweight design. Work comfortably with 2 secure lock positions. Choose 180 degrees for standard cuts or 210 degrees for easy low-position trimming without strain. Maintenance is a breeze with its tool-free blade replacement. Simply use a coin to change the blade, keeping it ready for any task. It folds into a compact and safe package for easy carrying. The safety lock prevents accidental closure, and the anti-slip handle ensures comfort and control. What we like. This saw is designed for ultimate convenience and comfort, especially for those who need to tackle awkward angles. The dual-angle locking feature makes low-position trimming much easier. If you're a gardener or camper who values ease of use and adaptability for various cutting positions, this tool is a fantastic option. What people say. Small size makes it very packable, or can attach a lanyard and hang it from whatever. Blade seems fairly rugged and cuts through branches good. Bright color helps to locate if dropped. Locking mechanism functions well and seems secure. Very ergonomic handle, sharpness of blade, looks like exceptional quality. This one harder to lose. Sharp blade, folds for safety. Excellent quality. Not a lightweight, has substantial weight to make it durable. Number 1. Silky Professional PocketBoy Folding Saw 170mm Outback Edition. Introducing a professional handsaw designed for superior performance and comfort. Its ergonomic handle offers excellent grip in any condition, and the blade conveniently folds down for storage. A protective case is included. This saw is perfect for a wide range of jobs, from pruning branches and trimming trees to construction projects. It's an ideal addition to your tool collection, whether you're tackling tough or delicate tasks. Experience improved cutting performance with its unique black nickel tin-plated blade. This durable coating extends the blade's life and ensures a smooth cut every time. Crafted from high-quality steel, this saw features a 1.4mm thick blade with taper-ground, impulse-hardened teeth. These advanced teeth offer superior cutting capabilities and last up to 3 times longer. Enjoy an unmatched cutting experience thanks to Japanese Mirai cutting technology. With 4 cutting angles, it delivers a smooth finish on rip, cross, and slant cuts. It's also backed by a limited lifetime warranty. What we like. If you appreciate a smooth, high-quality cut and long-lasting performance, this saw is for you. Its specialized cutting technology and durable coating ensure a clean finish and extended blade life. It's perfect for those who demand precision in their pruning, hunting, or general outdoor tasks, offering a professional-grade experience. What people say. For branches up to 5, the PocketBoy is stiffer and cuts just as fast, plus it's easier and less bulky to carry, especially when collecting driftwood or cutting long branches that had felled for campfires, when wilderness camping. The PocketBoy cuts much faster with less effort, even though it mostly cuts on the pullback motion, one way. The contoured grip is very comfortable on the bare hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.